let's see where we can get great Christmas cakes in Kochi. We have TasteJet, Renai Hotels, Radisson Blue. We have Pandal Cake Shop, Casino Hotel, Taj Gateway, Olive Downtown, Novotel and Marriott. Hello everyone, I'm Kicha. I cook, I eat, hungry for more. It's Christmas time and everyone is on the lookout for Christmas cakes. Let's see where we can get great Christmas cakes in Kochi. I've received Christmas cakes from famous hotels in Kochi and I can't wait to try them out. So let's start. First we have Taj Delhi at Gateway's Rich Plum Cake. The packaging looks awesome. It has a nice design to it. I like the tin and it looks super awesome. Wow! You can have a bite if you want. The sweetness was excellent. I love the sweetness of the cake and the fruits. The fruits was soaked so well throughout the year is that it was really moist. The moistness is a good thing as it was really soft to chew and it made a sensation in my mouth. But also there's one more thing. Very slight bitterness. But that's how a plum cake should be. That's the traditional taste, as there's a little bit of a bitterness to it every time. But not that included, everything is perfection. The Kochi Marriott one, I am really close friends with Kochi Marriott and I love their food, I love the hotel generally and I love everything about it. And the design, it's spectacular. It's like a piece of art. I think this would deserve to go to a museum. So I can't wait to try it out. If you like spices, it's the best for you. They've added a correct amount of spices which give it a nice aromatic flavor. That too, I love the moistness. When you chew it, it's really good taste. And that way they packaged it super well. There are 3 layers. First is a saran wrap, then it's a foil, then it's the normal wrap. I mean it's a butter paper. I love what they did with the design and this also I would give a 10 out of 10. It's super awesome. So we are really good friends with Novotel. I really love Novotel and I can't wait to have their plum cake. It has a nice Santa on it, snow and everything. So let's open it and see. It has a rich, like a fruity flavor. The fruits perfectly soaked, the moisture perfect, the color really deep, very well baked. I love this. Novotel, really good plum cakes. This is Olive Downtown's Rich Plum Cake. I can't wait to try it. So let's do it. It's wrapped in a type of bow tie. I was there for the cake mixing ceremony in Olive. Well, I am a good mixer. It tastes super good. The fruits taste super good. I mean, they have caramelly flavor. It's not too bitter. It's actually the perfect amount of sweet. I think it's better for the kids out there because they don't like the bitter, but then kids like the sweetness. So this is a nice amount of sweetness, and I generally love it. The moistness is perfect. The baking is also super good, and it's also super good. So let's move on to the next one. Next is Radisson Blue Exotic Rich Plum Cake. It has a royal color and the design is also pretty royal. So let's see. It's super awesome. The baking is excellent. It's super fruity. The moisture is super perfect. It's not so crumbly, but it's super good. The taste is also awesome. Thank you Radisson Blue for sending me this plum cake. It is super awesome. It has less spices, so if you like less spices, perfect plum cake for you. Wow, confetti! The Pandal Cake Shop or Casino Hotel. It looks super good. So let's open it, break it open and see how it looks. The fruits taste so good, well soaked. The cake has a perfect moisture, well baked and it has a nice fruity flavor. That way it also has a traditional plum cake flavor and I love that. This is matured plum cake and I really enjoy it. This is from Renai Hotel and they've decorated super beautifully. A small Christmas tree, Merry Christmas and looks super beautiful. They've also topped it with meringue cream. So let's taste. The fruitiness is extreme. I like that it has a little bit of tutti fruity flavor. And it's the perfect moistness. It's little overcooked, but then it's still good. Then we have, it's fully yummy. The fruits are also super soaked and a little dry also, but never mind that, it's super good. And Renai Hotels, you did super good. I love it. The next one is not from a hotel, it's from TasteChet. They make yummy Palida payasams, and this year they've started selling plum cakes. They say they have soaked it for 1.5 years, and I can't wait to have it. And wow, look at the color. So exotic color. Now let's taste. Really soft, nice fruitiness. A little too much fruitiness, but still super awesome. I like it nice and fruity. Little caramel taste. You also get a little bit of the spice, and the fruits are well soaked, and I love it. So that's all the plum cakes. Now you know where to get plum cake that matches your taste in Kochi. We have TasteChet, Renai Hotels, Radisson Blu. We have Pandal Cake Shop at Casino Hotel, Taj Gateway, Olive Downtown, Novotel, and Marriott. So those are all the restaurants you should look out for. So these are the places where you can get the best plum cakes in Kochi. So bye guys! Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KitchenTube. Merry Christmas!